Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to crochet some baby V stitches. I am loving the look of this stitch. It creates a wonderfully solid but not too dense fabric. It's similar on both sides, your front, back, and your front, and just a easy and wonderful stitch to work. Today for the tutorial I'm going to be using a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook as well as some worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet. You can find a direct link to the free written instructions for this tutorial on my website at richtexturescrochet.com, and it's linked directly down in the description of this video. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to subscribe. Take a look around. This channel is updated every week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. You're going to start by making a slip knot, and then by working a foundation chain, and your foundation chain today will need to be an odd number of stitches. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 21. Once you have chained that odd number of stitches for your foundation chain, you're going to begin row 1 by working a single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then single crochet into each stitch all the way across. At the end of row 1, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to begin by working a half double crochet into the first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Skip the next stitch and into your next, work 2 half double crochet stitches. You are going to repeat that all the way across, skip the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets into your next, all the way across until you have 1 stitch remaining. At the end of row 2, you'll have 1 stitch remaining. You're going to work 1 half double crochet into that final stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. For row 3, we're going to single crochet into the first stitch. You're then going to work a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet in the space between the next 2 stitches. So we have our next stitch in the space between that next stitch and the one following it. You're going to insert your hook. You may just need to pull those 2 stitches apart a little bit. Insert your hook in the space between single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet back into the same space. You're then going to skip the next 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and in the next space between those 2 half double crochets, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet into the space. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Skip the next 2 half double crochets, and in the next space between those next 2 stitches, you're going to work a single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. Repeat this all the way across until you come to your final stitch. When you come all the way across at the end of your row 3 and you've worked your single crochet, chain 1 single crochet in between the half double crochet stitches in each pair, you're going to come to your final stitch and you can work a single crochet into the top of that final stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now for row 4, we're going to work a half double crochet into our first stitch, and then work our 2 half double crochet stitches into the chain 1 space. So into that chain 1 space in between our 2 single crochets. Work 2 half double crochet stitches. You're going to continue to work 2 half double crochet stitches in each chain 1 space all the way across. So skipping those single crochet stitches in between, you're just working into the space. Work 2 half double crochet stitches in each chain 1 space across all the way until you come to your final stitch. When you come all the way across to your final single crochet, you're going to finish row 4 with 1 half double crochet into the top of your final stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. As for the repeat in this pattern, that is it. You're simply going to repeat your rows 3, which was the single crochet, followed by the single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in the space between the next 2 stitches, and repeat that across. So you're going to repeat your rows 3 and 4 for as long as you would like, then fasten off and weave in your ends, and that is how you work this beautiful baby V stitch. So thank you so much for joining me. Once again, I invite you to take a look around, check out the Crochet Stitches playlist, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.